everybody, welcome back to Emmy's Corner. It has been a while, but I'm finally back and I'm here to show you how to make your very own wallpaper. You are going to start by downloading the app called Picsart, and it is very free and easy to use. So once you've downloaded it, you can go ahead and open it up and it'll take you to the home screen, which shows a bunch of posts or edits that other people have done. Picsart is an editing app, but you can also use it to make your own wallpapers. So you can ignore the front page and click the purple plus sign on the bottom of the screen. Once you have done that, at the very top, it'll show you your own photos that you can add onto the Picsart app, or templates of photos that you can use. But if you scroll to the very bottom, it'll show you colored backgrounds that you can use. It has many different colors, or you can even customize your own background. So I'm going to use my own background that I've imported, and I'm going to go ahead and click it, and it'll enlarge your photo. Or if I'm using a colored background, you can go ahead and, for example, the white background, you can click it and the same thing will happen. So once you have chosen your background, you can see that there's many buttons on the bottom of the screen. To make wallpapers, you're only going to need the sticker and text buttons. Once you click the sticker button, you'll see a bunch of suggested stickers that you can use, or if you like none of them, you can go ahead and click the search bar at the top. Once you have done that, it'll show you a bunch of suggested searches that you can use. But it doesn't have to be any of those. You can search up anything you want or anything that you like. For example, a cute panda. Once you've done that, you can see that there's all kinds of stickers that you can use. One thing to note when you're looking for stickers is to make sure they do not have a crown. If they have a crown on the bottom right of the sticker and you click the sticker, it'll ask you to get exclusive access, but you can just X that out. Sadly, you still cannot use the sticker, but don't worry, there's still other cute stickers you can use, such as this one here. Once you select your sticker, you can go ahead and pinch to make it bigger or smaller. Or you can use the corner right button to also make it bigger or smaller. You can also use the top right button to make it rotate, or you can press the X button to delete it. I'm going to go ahead and bring that back. And then you can size it to wherever you want. After you've added one sticker, you can add as many more as you want, just like I'm going to. Okay, so I've added all the stickers onto my wallpaper just how I like them. Of course, you can add as many different kinds of stickers that you like. So after you've added your stickers, you can go ahead and click the apply button on the top right of your screen. Once you do that, it'll kind of permanently attach the stickers onto the background and you can't move them or take them out anymore. Another feature that you can use is the text button, which is also at the bottom of your screen. You can go ahead, click it, and you can type whatever you want. And I'm going to type Emmy's Corner. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and click the check mark, and at the bottom of your screen will show up a bunch of different fonts, and you can also change the color of the text. Once it's to the correct size and color that you like, you can go ahead and put it into the correct position that you would like. Then you can press apply. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and click next once you're ready to use your wallpaper. Once you do that, it'll ask you if you would like to post your wallpaper, but you can go ahead and skip that. And then it will ask you if you'd like to save your photo. You can go ahead and click save. This will add it to the photos on your device, and it'll also take you back to the home screen. Once you do that, you're free to use your wallpaper as you like. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.
Bye.